this video, I'm going to be teaching you a simple trick of multiplication table of 19. 19's table may seem like a big table, but if you know this trick, it's super easy. Let's get started. 19 times 1 equals 19 times 2 equals 19 times 3 equals 19 times 4 equals 19 times 5 equals 19 times 6 equals 19 times 7 equals 19 times 8 equals 19 times 9 equals 19 times 10 equals. On the right hand side, we will write the odd numbers from 1 to 19. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Then we will write the last digit in the descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So there you have it. Now let's read the table. 19 times 1 is 19. 19 times 2 equals 38. 19 times 3 equals 57. 19 times 4 equals 76. 19 times 5 equals 95. 19 times 6 equals 114. 19 times 7 equals 133. 19 times 8 equals 152. 19 times 9 equals 171. 19 times 10 equals 190. So there it is. Make sure you like and subscribe our video. Bye!